Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says a fair coin is tossed 6 times. What is the probability of getting at least 3 heads? Option A 11 by 16, option C 1 by 18 या फिर ऑप्शन डी 3 by 64. तो जो की कॉन्सेप्ट इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे दैट इज बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जिसका फॉर्मूला या फिर पीडीएफ होता है प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर x इज इक्वल टू k is given by nck multiplied by p raised to the power k multiplied by 1 minus p raised to the power n minus k, जहां पे n जो है दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स, जो कि यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 6 टाइम्स बिकॉज फेयर कॉइन इज टॉस्ड 6 टाइम्स, सो n इज इक्वल टू 6 एंड k इज द नंबर ऑफ सक्सेस, जो कि यहाँ पे है एटलीस्ट 3 हेड्स. So we'll consider 3, 4, 5 and 6. And P is the probability of success which will be equal to 1 by 2 because हमको चाहिए head. So probability of head upon toss of a fair coin is 1 by 2 because the possible outcomes are head and tail. So probability when x is equal to 3 यानी कि 3 heads आए, this will be equal to 6c3 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 3 which is also 3. So ये हो जाएगा 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. So ये हो गया 20 into 1 by 64. So this is equal to 20 by 64. अब हम निकालेंगे probability when x is equal to 4. So this will be equal to 6c4 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 4 which is equal to 2. So ये हो जाएगा 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial multiplied by 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. So this is equal to 15 into 1 by 64 which is equal to 15 by 64. अब हम निकालेंगे probability when x is equal to 5. This is equal to 6c5 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 5, that is, so ये हो जाएगा 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 1 factorial multiplied by 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to 6 into 1 by 64 जो कि हो जाएगा 6 by 64. अब हम फाइनली निकालेंगे probability when x is equal to 6 यानी कि 6 heads आएंगे. So this will be equal to 6c6 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 minus 6 जो कि हो जाएगा 0. So this is 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 0 factorial multiplied by 1 by 64 into 1 because anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So ये हो जाएगा 1 into 1 by 64 into 1 which is finally equal to 1 by 64. So now probability of getting at least 3 heads is equal to probability for x is equal to 3 plus probability for x is equal to 4 plus probability when x is equal to 5 plus probability when x is equal to 6. अब हम ये सारी values रख लेंगे. So probability for x is equal to 3 has come out to be 20 by 64. For x is equal to 4 it is 15 by 64. X is equal to 5 के लिए probability है 6 by 64 and x is equal to 6 के लिए है 1 by 64. So हम ये सारी values यहाँ पे रख लेंगे. This is equal to 20 by 64 plus 15 by 64 plus 6 by 64 plus 1 by 64. So this is equal to 42/64 जो कि सिंप्लीफाई करने पे हो जाएगा 21/32. So using the key concept of binomial distribution, we have found out the probability of getting at least 3 heads is 21/32. That is option B. Hope you understood. Good luck.